Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
If you're tired of sacrificing your nutritious habits while traveling or struggling to find a convenient way to blend your favorite smoothies and shakes, this innovative gadget is about to become your new best friend. The portable blender is here to revolutionize your healthy living journey. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of portable blender on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
Wireless powerful portable blender. 270 watts powerful motor with pulse technology allows your single blender for shakes and smoothies to expand your creativity anywhere. A 1-button action, 6 stainless blade which can easily and quickly mash vegetables and fruits to make delicious drinks in seconds. Diamond jar design and safety protection. Built-in 12 smart LED indicators display remaining power. Portable diamond pattern design is made from eco-friendly, food-grade non-toxic PCTG material, BPA-free. This portable blender is built in safety magnetic sensing switch prevent blender from overheating. IPX67 water resistant and easy cleanup, to the beach, to the pool. Devan portable blender is IPX67 waterproof, so you can bring your blender anywhere. Take your blender to the sink or the pool without worrying about spills or even submersion in water. It can be immersed in water up to 10 minutes.
Number 2.
Elechelf personal size blender embraces a unique safety design including safety indication light, induction automatic stop design, silicone charging port protection. Power off protection, overload protection, overheating prevention give you a duplicate protection while making delicious juice. Powerful ice cube blending. The juicer cup is equipped with 8 pieces 304 stainless steel blades and strong power system, uniform mixing, quick speed and long life. It only takes 40 seconds to bring you fresh smoothie, protein and milk shakes, fresh juices, masks, great cheese, minced garlic, and even make frozen cocktails. Portable smoothie blender. Built-in USB rechargeable, can be easily charged by power bank, wall charge, computer or other USB devices. 12 ounces capacity and only 1 pound product weight is easy to carry around in any circumstances. Portable for traveling, camping, fishing, home and office, travel with on-the-go portability. All parts of the mini blender are BPA free to ensure healthy and safe drinking. More durable non-toxic material is suitable for healthy lifestyle lovers. By detachable blade component, cleaning is more convenient and easier. Portable and easy to clean. 1-button blending/cleaning. Just put some water in the cup, press the button to start automatic cleaning.
Number 3.
Unique one-handed drinking smoothie blender. Thanks to its genius industrial design, our GREECHO small blender is the world's first one-handed drinking blender for shakes and smoothies. This mini blender works hard so you don't have to. Just snap the seal lip open and closed so it's sealed shut, and leak-proof, when you're done sipping. Ultra smart safety protection. This confidence in safety comes from the dual protection system and material. GREECHO single-serve blender is featuring intelligent, power-off protection, overload protection. In addition, it made with food-grade non-toxic, and eco-friendly Triton material, as well as totally BPA-free. You'll fall in love with this powerhouse. Blending wherever and whenever. This portable blender with rechargeable USB goes beyond just smoothies and shakes. It can grate cheese, mince garlic, and even make frozen cocktails, thanks to its high-speed mixer system. Charge using a laptop, with a power bank, a USB charger, or even in the car. Ease of use and maintenance. GREECHO smoothie blender has a 20% larger caliber, making it easier to feed ingredients. All you have to do to operate this milkshake maker is double press the start button.
Number 4.
This blender is equipped with 6 sharp 304 stainless steel blades, which can easily crush ice, frozen fruits and not easy to get stuck than other blenders. 20,000 revolutions per minute makes the blades rotate quickly to make more delicate shakes and smoothies. One-touch operation makes this travel-sized smoothie blender quick and easy to use. Just click the power button to start and double-click to switch between pulse modes. Milkshakes, smoothies, purees, flavored sauces or baby food are available. With a large capacity of 20 ounces, this juice mixer has enough space to put fruits, vegetables and ice cubes in it. Screw the extra cup lid, a perfect personal sized blender to take with you on trips, sports and barbecues. The juicer has a built-in 2x2000 mAh battery pack, which has a better range than ordinary portable juicers. Type-C charging port, which can be charged at any time via laptop, desktop, power bank or car charging port. Suitable for kitchen, travel, sports, picnic, etc. Integrated base, precision structure has a stronger waterproof performance. Do not have to worry about the short circuit caused by water ingress. The handheld blender cup body is made of food grade as material, high quality can be trusted.
Number 5.
Built-in 4000 mAh rechargeable battery. This battery operated blender could serve 15 to 20 cups per charge, and with the USB charging port, you can charge it by AC adapter, power bank, computer or other USB power source. This portable smoothie blender adopts 6 pieces super sharp stainless steel 3D blades, with a rotating speed of 22,000 revolutions per minute. It can crush through ice cube and frozen fruit, bringing you a cup of delicious smoothies within 35-40s. Compared with traditional corded electric blenders which are inconvenient to carry and unable to work outdoor, our portable and rechargeable blender is very easy to carry. You can put it into backpack, gym bag, and blend and enjoy fresh juice when you are traveling, camping, gym and office. With carefully selected, this portable blender is made of BPA-free, food-grade materials, allowing you to make protein shakes and smoothies, fruit juice, baby food and facial mask with no worries.